G'day guys, Greg here. Now I was just in Woolies and I saw this on special. It's an Indian curry mix that you can make at home, and basically on the back all you have to do is add whatever they say. In this case it was basically just adding some meat and a little bit of oil. It's a Delicate Korma Curry and it should be ready in 8 to 10 minutes and can serve 2 to 3 people. Now this sounds exactly like something I would love. So how about we give the Spice Tailor by Anjum Anand a go. I wonder if she's one of the Spice Girls. Tailor Spice. Now all the instructions are inside here. How about we open it up and see what you actually get in the pack. Now this is beautifully packaged. It's got like all the herbs and spices with a swing arm. So let's crack it open. It's got a heap of instructions here. And look here, you get some chili and some spices. You get a base sauce here. And then you get the DKC sauce here. DKC, I'm guessing, is Delicate Korma Curry. Okay, so for starters it says, preparation. Cut the meat, fish, paneer or vegetables into generous pieces or halve your boiled eggs. Alrighty-o. Wonder what a generous piece is. Are these generous pieces? I'll tell you what, that's very generous. Maybe it's a bit too generous though. I'm not that generous a person. So I'll just cut them into smaller chunks. Now it comes with these spices and it says that if you don't like the whole spices, you can powder these in a pestle and mortar and add them in at the end. Alternatively, if left whole, remove them with a spoon before serving. Well, that's cool to know. Right, is this warmed up? Oh, you Korma curry! Okay, so first it says heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a small pan, add the whole spices and chili if using and cook for 20 seconds. Alright, well I'll just add my little bit of oil. This is the spice one here. It's got a tear thing there, so I'll throw that in. And I've also got a few more chilies here. I thought I'd spice it up a little. Cook that for 20 seconds. Now it says add the fresh ingredients and brown lightly. I'm guessing this is my fresh ingredients. So let's brown this off. Okay, so now that's browned lightly, it says add the base sauce and cook for a minute over a highish heat. Right, so this has got base written on it, so we'll add the base sauce. Oh man, that smells good. Cook for a minute over a highish heat. Okay, so now it says stir in the main sauce and 2 tablespoons of water, or as needed, and simmer until the meat, fish or paneer or vegetables are cooked for around 3 to 6 minutes. So here's the main sauce here. Stir that through. Well, that looks nice. It said to add a few tablespoons of water if needed. Now I don't think it needs it, but I'll add some because it told me to. And we'll just let that simmer for 3 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to have this with rice, but I haven't even put it on yet. So what I'll do is I'll just stick a lid on there and cook the rice, and then we'll come back and tuck on in for the old Tailor Spice Arjun Anand Delicate Korma Curry. Taste. Well, the rice is ready. How about we take a look at this? Oh, yum. That looks really good. And I tell you what, this kitchen smells amazing. So how about we plate some up? Bit of rice. Now don't forget to take like this bits of cinnamon or bits of spice out before you dive on in, because, mate, last thing you need is a trip to the dentist from a curry. Well, that looks good, but you know what would make it look even better? Some green stuff on top. Alrighty, well, here we go. The Delicate Korma Curry. Let's give some a go. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Mmm. It's delicious. Tastes just like a real one from a restaurant. Wow, that is really good. I'm really enjoying this, and it does come in heaps of other flavors. And I think I'm gonna try another one again, maybe even make a video for it. Anyway, there you go. The Spice Tailor by Ajum Anand. Nutty and aromatic, a little bit like me. Well, that's all for today. Definitely worth giving one of these a try. They taste really good. Well, this one does anyway. I can't wait to try some more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the